What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of for loop. Here we are going to print some numbers. Now let's go ahead and see how to do that. First we have to import the scanner. I already imported right here, and we have public class and then the main function. Inside of this main function I'm going to put the for loop, and the first thing is we have to initialize this one integer. Let's name this one as counter, and I initialize this one with 1. And then we have to set the condition. I set the condition counter is less than or equal to, let's say, 10. And then the next one is we have to do the increment. I do the increment by 1, so I counter plus plus. Okay, now we have to print this one out. To print this one out, we have to put a system out statement, system dot out dot print line, and then counter, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Now here you can see it's going from 1 to 10 because we initialized this one with 1 and set the condition up to 10, so it's going from 1 to 10. And you can do the increment by, like, it not necessarily has to be 1. You can do the increment by 3. So if you put plus equal to 3, it's going to do the increment by 3. So let's go ahead and run this one. It does the increment by 3, 1, 4, 7, 10. And also you can initialize different values. Like for example, I can initialize with 6 and end it with a different number. For example, let's say 21. And when we run this, it's going to start from there and go up to that, go up to 21, 6 to 21. And that's it. That's how we do the for loop in Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description. And also if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.